So on one of the mountains over past San Jose is the Lick Observatory. It's kind of not a good idea to have an observatory near a big city because, let's face it, everything around the bay is pretty much one giant fucking city. I mean, it's just one huge light source. So how would you still be able to use a telescope in such a place with light pollution? Well, what they do is they actually, San Jose at least, has pushed to only using sodium vapor lamps for their streetlights. And also a lot of, I think even like other like non-street lights, just lights at night tend to use sodium vapor lamps in San Jose. Well, what that means is that sodium vapor lamps, they they put out only one, or actually, well, technically two wavelengths of light, 589 nanometer and 589.3 nanometer wavelengths of light. So, if you have the right filter, then you can just filter out that one wavelength of light, and you don't have that light pollution anymore. At least you don't have a big percentage of it. So I started thinking, it's very, very strange here because there's just the night sky is always so bright. It's like it's more than a full moon every night because it's just a city, in my opinion. Compared to Illinois, it's a city, and it's actually not that bad because you can see the stars and you can't make out the Milky Way out here, but because of the Lick Observatory, furthermore, because most of the lights are sodium vapor lamps because of the Lick Observatory, the light pollution is only at 589 nanometers wavelength. It happens to be that some companies sell camera lenses, or filters, that block out from 575 to 600 nanometers wavelengths, or at least mostly, because like it goes pretty like the amount of light it lets through, it lets out some of the red. It goes down a little bit, so there are some lights that it doesn't do much, but then right around that area it dips almost down to nothing, and then goes back up and lets out the blue and stuff like that. So I ordered one, and I'm going to see how it looks whenever I look through it at night, because theoretically it should block out a lot of the light pollution. It will be slightly tinted though, so it might just be counterintuitive, or it might not work because, well, it might increase the contrast of the lights versus the clouds, but that it'll lower the brightness to where I can't really see it good anyway. But if it works, I'm going to make myself some night sky glasses. So I'm going to get another lens and I'll make glasses that will shield out the sodium vapor light wavelength from the light pollution, so I can look at the stars and stuff like that while being in the valley. So it's kind of cool. I was going to talk about something else, but I can't remember what it was. I think it's probably good enough talking about that lens. I'll think about what that thing was, and I'll talk about it tomorrow. That'll work for me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See ya!